Welcome to Cardamone Law University, translating the Pennsylvania Workers' Compensation Act into plain English for injured workers. It's Mike Cardamone here. Today I wanted to talk about health insurance as it relates to Pennsylvania workers' compensation. The basic principle here is that the Workers' Compensation Act in Pennsylvania does not protect your health insurance that you may have through your employer. A lot of injured workers get very disgruntled when they get a letter in the mail stating that their health insurance is going to be terminated because they've been out of work for a period of time. And they call us and they think that we're going to be able to reverse that and get their health insurance back into place, and it's not the case. The Pennsylvania Workers' Compensation Act, again, does not require an employer to maintain an injured worker's health insurance while they're out on workers' comp. For a lot of people, specifically, if you work for an employer with at least 20 employees, you'll get a notice. Basically, it's a COBRA notice stating that under federal law, you can continue your employer-provided health insurance after you're laid off or fired, or otherwise become ineligible for benefits. And so the problem there, though, is you have to pay the full premium at the employer negotiated group rate, and a lot of people just can't afford that. So many people will get that COBRA notice, again, if the employer has at least 20 employees, which allows you to continue the coverage. Another option, and I always tell our clients, listen, once we settle the case, if it does settle, not every case settles for a lump sum, but a majority of them do, you'll be able to go onto the free marketplace and use some of your settlement money to buy insurance until you can find a new job and get insurance, perhaps through new employment. So this is very frustrating for injured workers. I think there's a little bit of bad information out there that somehow you're entitled to have your health insurance go on. What I've seen in some cases, the employer will say, if you want to continue coverage, you have to start paying, X amount of dollars. So it becomes really a finance issue and what the injured worker can afford. But it's a scary proposition. Nobody wants to lose their health insurance. Obviously, if something, bad happens to your health, one bad situation in an ER for a week could bankrupt someone easily, even if it's a couple days. So it's a really important topic to talk about with your attorney, and every case is a little bit different with respect to that. So you want to get your employee handbook when you go out or report a work injury, so you can refresh your memory about how the health insurance works in your particular case. Call us anytime you want for any guidance on this. It's 215-206-9068. We're at cardamonelaw.com, CARDAMONELAW.com. You can also email me directly. It's michael@cardamonelaw.com. So it's michael@cardamonelaw.com. You can call us or email us, whether it's with respect to COBRA, health insurance, any other issues regarding Pennsylvania workers' comp. It's all we do, and we'll be happy to help you out. And we'll give you a free case review if you want as well. People who lawyer up, they make more money. It's just that simple. So if you don't have an attorney, make sure you call us, and we'll monitor your case or do whatever we need to do to enhance it, whether it's file a petition, seek an expansion of the definition of your injury, fight off any petition that they might file against you, or just trying to settle your case. You'll do a lot better if you get representation. And that sounds self-serving, but it's just the truth. Again, 215-206-9068 is our number. And we'll talk to you again soon from Cardamone Law University.